Okay. So this brings us into chapter 2, where we talk about the real numbers. Okay. So what are the two operations that the real numbers have, really? What are two main ones? Addition. Okay. And what's the other one? Multiplication. What properties do these operations have? What are our properties?
The real numbers are together with.
I'm asking, there are specific names that these properties have. One of them starts with a,
That they're closed over the real numbers.
those closed over real numbers. Not really what I'm going for, but we're attracting that this is a field. We'll talk about that probably on Thursday, since today is Tuesday. But what I'm thinking about is, right, commutative. The commutative property of addition means what? So A plus B equals B plus A. There's also the commutative property of multiplication. Order doesn't matter. Okay. What's another property? Distributive. We'll wait until later. Associative. What does that mean? You can say parentheses. Parentheses here. Right? So adding the first two together and then adding the next one is the same as adding the last two together and then adding the first. And we have the same thing for multiplication. So A times B times C is the same thing as doing A times B times C. And then for the distributive property, we have A times B plus C equals AB plus AC, or B plus C times A is AB plus, well, actually, let's keep the order the same just to make it BA plus CA. There's another property. Both of these. Identity, right? We have the existence of an identity matrix element. Okay. So identity means what? For addition, what's our identity? So if we add 0 on the right-hand side, we get our number. And if we add 0 on the left-hand side, we still have our number. And then for multiplication, and you'll see I'm putting down both the left and right. However, per se, because we already know what? Commutative, right? So we don't necessarily need to put both of them. But later on, when we're dealing other things that might not be the case. So we're gonna go ahead and say that here already and bring both of them into the. One more property. Deals directly with identity. So negative elements, meaning negative and reciprocals are, what's another word for those? Inverse. Well, right, so here we know A plus negative A equals 0. And then we also have A times 1 over A equals 1. And again, I'm going to write these as both just to make sure. And we can use subtraction here, right? So that's why it says, hey, we have a reciprocal, we have the existence of negative. Okay. Questions, concerns? Let's make sure. Okay. Go ahead and go to boards and do problem 2.